Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on July 31st. 1498, Columbus discovers Trinidad. On July 31, 1498, during his third voyage to the Americas, Christopher Columbus spotted the island of Trinidad. He named it after the Holy Trinity. Trinidad was one of the last major Caribbean islands to be discovered by Europeans. Columbus and his crew were amazed by its lush beauty. This marked another chapter in European exploration of the New World. It also began a long era of colonization in the Caribbean. 1790. The first U.S. patent is issued. On July 31, 1790, the United States issued its very first patent. It was granted to Samuel Hopkins for a process to make potash, an ingredient used in fertilizer and soap. President George Washington himself signed the patent. This event marked the beginning of legal protection for inventors in the U.S. today. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office handles millions of such applications. It all started with this one idea. 1964, Ranger 7 sends first close-up moon photos. On July 31, 1964, NASA's Ranger 7 spacecraft successfully transmitted the first close-up images of the moon. The mission was unmanned and ended with Ranger crashing into the moon. But before impact, it sent back over 4,300 detailed pictures. These images helped scientists prepare for future Apollo landings. It was a huge milestone in the space race. The moon had never looked so close and clear before. 1971, Apollo 15 astronauts ride moon rover. On July 31, 1971, Apollo 15 astronauts took the first drive in a lunar rover on the moon. Astronauts David Scott and James Irwin explored the lunar surface using the battery-powered vehicle. It allowed them to travel farther and carry more equipment. The rover was a game-changer for lunar exploration. It looked like a dune buggy from outer space. This moment made moon missions even more exciting and productive. 1991, Stardust Treaty signed by U.S. and USSR. On July 31, 1991, the United States and the Soviet Union signed the Stardust Treaty. This was a major arms control agreement to reduce the number of nuclear weapons. Presidents George H.W. Bush and Mikhail Gorbachev led the effort. It was a huge step toward ending the Cold War tensions. The treaty helped make the world a bit safer. It showed that even rivals could choose peace over destruction. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.